Guys, welcome to my vlog. We are here in Alcoa camping site. Here,
You see, and you can see
the desert.
where we can. You see that sun?
Huh?
See that sun right there?
The sunset back.
Of course, she's just vlogging right now, but he's still disturbed. So I'm just digging up here.
I think
Gosh, it's hard to dig.
the sun is in my back.
Yes, guys, and that's the way how it looks.
See,
So next for the next result, guys.
the sun is going down.